name is Ulysses. I'm gonna be making a pizza margherita. This is our homemade dough, pizza dough. We use ultra flour. We bathe it in the more ultra flour just so it's easy to open. Put some flour on the board. What I'm doing now is just so that just outlining the crust so that when it comes out the oven, it has like a nice puffy crust. Alright, so this is our homemade pizza sauce with fresh basil. Okay, we add some Parmesan cheese. Our homemade mozzarella. Shredded mozzarella. We do half and half because our homemade mozzarella it gets too liquid in the oven. So we do half and half so that doesn't become too soggy. Okay, that's the pizza margherita. After about 5 minutes, the pizza is ready. You can see the crust is really crispy. Some fresh basil. Some olive oil. And that's the pizza margherita.